Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to open an Etsy shop. So I have a new business venture that I'm going to be doing with digital products, and I wanted to get my Etsy shop set up ahead of my launch. So right here I'm bringing you to the first page, and it says what brings you to Etsy. So I'm going to be a first time seller, so that's what I'm going to choose. If you already have a business, you can click that as well, or any of the other ones. And once you do that, you're going to click next, and then it's going to say, is there anything you would like help with? As a first time Etsy user, I'm going to want help with a couple of things. There's some different options. Do what suits you. So for me, it's like deciding what to sell. I'm not going to be packing and shipping, so I don't need that, but like selling online, anything that is relevant to your niche or, the products that you're going to be selling. I would suggest going through each step to see what you might need help with. And if not, you can go ahead and skip this step or just put maybe one or two. And then we're going to be going to the next section. For the next step, we're going to be entering some information. So you're going to click on Start Your Shop. And then we're going to enter our information that we need for Etsy. So the first thing we're going to get started with is our shop preferences. So just telling them about ourselves. So my shop language is going to be in English. I am in the United States. All of this stuff is already pre-selected. So if you're in the US, basically you won't have to change it. And the currency will also be in US dollars. Now, if you're from somewhere else, you would change that. But if you are in the US, like I said, it'll just be easy. But you do want to pay attention to that. Now you're going to need to click on name for your shop. Now, I already have a name for my shop, and I'm more than positive no one has it, but you have to check. So when you put it in, they'll tell you if someone else has it or if it's available. Now, the name I chose just so happened to not be taken, so that was perfect. But in the event that you do have a name that is taken, you would just need to add something to it to make it a little bit more unique. So once you have a name, you're going to want to click save and continue, and then we're going to go to the next step, which is stocking your shop. When you start your shop, you're going to actually need to have something to list, whether it's a physical item or a digital product. Obviously, a digital product is going to be the easiest when you're first starting out, so that is what I'm going to do. As you go along on your journey, you can definitely add physical items, but for right now, I'm going to show you guys how to do a digital file and upload that. So you choose a category. There's many categories to choose from. I am going to be this like guides and how to, and I'm going to tell you guys at the end what I'm going to be doing. So we'll save that for later, as it will be dropping today as I am recording this video. So mine is going to be under guides and how-tos. And then we're going to scroll down. You say who made it. More than likely it'll be you. If not, select the other options. When you say what it is, for me it's going to be a finished product. I don't have any supplies or tools to make other things. That's not what I'm selling on my Etsy shop. So I'm not going to choose that. So the next question is asking, when was it made? So you go ahead and click, and whatever year you made it, you want to select that. More than likely, you're going to be in the 2020 to 2024 area, because hopefully you're not selling products that are 4 years old. Things need to be current, especially digital files. And then the next one is going to be, how is the digital content created? So you can say created by me or with an AI generator. Now, I did have help from AI with creating some of the things, so I'm going to choose with an AI generator. And if you did not have help or you created by yourself, make sure to put created by me. But for me, I did use AI, and I'm not gonna, stray people away. It really doesn't make a difference. But I just would like to be transparent about the fact that I did use AI to assist with creating this ebook. So this next section asks about production partners for the listing, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to continue to the next section. So right here, this is the actual listing. This is everything you need to enter to be able to list a product on Etsy. Now, this is my first time being on this page, so I am a little confused. I'm trying to go through everything and see what I need to do, and I'll probably end up doing this off screen. But while I figure out all this mess on this screen, let me tell you guys about what I am dropping today. I have created the ultimate guide to home buying for young home buyers. There are so many things going on with the real estate market today, and I wanted to create a book that helps everybody achieve home ownership. So right here, I am just toying with like the title and what I'm gonna call it. Obviously, most of this stuff, like I said, I'm gonna do off screen or kind of figure out, do a little bit more research about what it really needs to be called. But for right now, we're gonna do Young Home Buyer Guide, which will definitely get changed later. So right here, I'm just going down to add the actual digital file. That's the one thing I know for sure will not change, right? The ebook is done, and I'm going ahead and I'm gonna upload it to Etsy. This is probably the easiest part of the title, the tags, and all the other stuff that goes with it. But again, while you're watching this, let me just brag about this ebook because I'm so excited, because I have hated to see the way the real estate market has gone after COVID and how it's pushed a lot of young homeowners out of, well, potential home buyers out of the market. So this book is going to be priced at $16.99 to be able to give you guys all the tools, the tips, the tricks to become homeowners. I hate to see the way it's going, and I want better. So I literally walk you step by step through the process of home buying, and I even have some references in the Florida area for realtors that you can reach out to. So right here, I'm just listing availability of 999 ebooks. And like I said, right here is kind of where I got confused with the tags and everything. So I'm gonna definitely go ahead and do that off camera. So I have gone ahead and added a promo video that I created in the front cover of my book. And this is it, buying a home as a young home buyer. And I'm gonna let this little ad play that I created on Canva, which I love it. I thought it was so cute. Now that I've taken the time to go through it off screen, I was able to create a thumbnail of the front cover of the book and also add a description about the book as well. You can pause to read it if you need to, or if you would like to. And then I'm just scrolling down to make sure if there's any other sections that I can add or that I have knowledge about. I'm not gonna do the primary colors and things like that, but I definitely want to do tags. So this is my first time on Etsy. I don't really know what to tag, but I'm just going to write a couple and see how that pans out to me, for me, sorry. And so I'm just trying some different ones like home, homeowner, home buyer, to see what grabs the audience attention. Once I have this on Etsy for a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks, I'll kind of see if these tags are getting me any traction. I definitely want to do a little bit more research about what tags would be most beneficial, but we will see in the end. So I'm just thinking of ones that would be associated with this ebook or this guide. And yeah, so I'm going to put that in. So right here, I'm just scrolling through still to see if there's anything that I want to add. I can't think of any tags right now. So we're just gonna go down the list. Right here is gonna be important. So returns and exchanges. The one thing to know about digital items is that they cannot be returned, which is great, or exchanged. So if they buy it, that's just it. They're not gonna get any, be able to return anything to you. So that's the really good thing about digital products versus physical products, which you may have to offer a return policy provided like what you are selling. So it says each renewal lasts for 4 months or until the listing sells out. This is talking about renewal options. I'm going to choose mine to be manual, you guys, so just to let you know. And then that's it. You have listed your first product. And as you can see, I'm going to adjust that thumbnail because you cannot see the full title. But yeah, so it is listed for $16.99. And now you have to put in your information for you to get paid. Obviously, I will definitely be doing this off screen, but make sure you put in the right country and the right information. And just to let you know, when you first start, you can be an individual. You do not have to be a business, a LLC, or anything like that. So don't feel any pressure to go out and get an LLC if you're just starting a business. So after you've put in your information for your bank and everything like that, you also need to verify your identity. So you're gonna have to take a picture, you're gonna have to take a picture of your ID, and then you can finish setting up your shop. And obviously this is also something I have to do off screen, but I just want to let you guys know what each step is in creating the Etsy shop. So once your identity has been verified, it's going to take you to your Etsy shop. So of course I only have one product listed thus far, and I also want to take the time to edit my shop and add a picture of myself, a banner, and everything like that, so that people know I am a real person, I'm a real shop, and my product is legit. So I'm gonna take the time to, like I said, upload a photo of myself and everything like that. So that's what you'll see me do here in just a second. So I did have to go to Canva to make a banner. I have the profile picture for the actual shop, and I'm still gonna put my personal picture with my name so that people know, like I said, I am a real person, but I do have a photo for the actual shop, which is the most important. Obviously, 0 sales. And again, you can add videos, you can add up to 5 photos with captions and everything like that. So that's something that as time goes on, you'll definitely want to do. And that's really all it is to it. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much.